What if I told you that everything you know about self-discipline is backwards? That trying harder is the slowest, most painful path to change? If you feel like you're constantly fighting against your own impulses, reaching for your phone when you should be working, slumping on the couch when you plan to exercise, this lecture is your cure. The problem isn't you. The problem is your design. In the next few minutes, I will hand you the architect's master tool. First, you'll understand the invisible formula that secretly controls 95% of your daily actions. Then, we will apply the two master levers to reshape any space in your life in under 5 minutes. Finally, I will reveal the single most important square footage you will ever master. The one that programs your entire day before it even begins. By the end, you will have an actionable plan to make your highest aspirations not a struggle, but the default setting of your daily life. Human behavior follows a universal law. B = M + E. Your behavior is the sum of your motivation and your environment. You've been trying to max out motivation while ignoring environment. This is like trying to win a race with the parking brake on. Your brain is wired to seek ease and avoid effort. Every object in your space, a visible phone, an open fridge, a cluttered desk, sends a cue. Your behavior is often just the easiest response to the most obvious cue. Discipline is overrated. Strategic friction is everything. Imagine two kitchens. Kitchen A has fruits in a bowl on the counter and chips hidden in a high cabinet. Kitchen B has chips on the counter and fruit in the crisper drawer. In which kitchen do you eat healthier? It's not a test of character. It's a test of design. You will eat what is convenient. Conduct a friction audit. Pick one desired behavior, e.g., reading 10 pages. Trace the steps required. Now, pick one undesired behavior, e.g., scrolling social media. Trace those steps. Your job is to make the first path smoother and the second path harder. Auditing friction shows you the problem. Now, let's become engineers of the solution. You are the engineer of friction. You have only two jobs. Systematically remove friction from good behaviors and intelligently add friction to bad ones. Make the right action effortless and the wrong action inconvenient. This isn't about willpower. It's about physics and logistics. To write more, remove friction. Leave your writing document open on your computer. Add friction. Install a website blocker that activates during your writing hours. To sleep better, remove friction. Have your book and a glass of water ready on your nightstand. Add friction. Charge your phone in another room overnight. Using your friction audit, execute one friction shift today. For your desired behavior, eliminate one preparatory step. For your undesired behavior, insert one new annoying step between the urge and the action. This engineering must start somewhere strategic. Not in your office, not in your kitchen. It starts in the space where your consciousness is born each day. The environment within arm's reach of where you sleep is your daily launch pad. It programs your subconscious and dictates the momentum of your next 16 hours. The first 30 minutes of your day are the most impressionable. A cluttered, reactive launch pad, phone, clutter, noise, creates a reactive, scattered day. A purposeful, curated launchpad creates a day of intention. My old launchpad was a graveyard of yesterday's exhaustion. Charging cables, a buzzing phone, and clutter. My new launchpad is a sanctuary for tomorrow's creation. A journal, a bottle of water, a single book related to my keystone habit, and intentional silence.